Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study statistics. First, focus on the fundamentals. Make sure you truly understand core definitions such as mean, median, and mode. These are the building blocks. Next, grasp the purpose of various data types and how they are collected. Finally, practice basic calculations consistently. This hands-on approach will solidify your numerical foundation and prepare you for more complex topics. Once you have the basics down, it's time for effective practice. Don't just read. Actively solve a variety of problems from your textbooks and previous exams. Work through each example step by step, ensuring you understand the logic behind every calculation. This process reinforces your learning. Crucially, identify any common errors you make and learn from them to avoid repeating the same mistakes. To truly deepen your knowledge, connect statistical concepts to real-world scenarios. This makes the material more relatable and improves retention. Don't hesitate to utilize online tutorials and educational videos. Sometimes a different explanation can make a concept click. Also, consider forming study groups. Discussing challenging topics with peers and sharing insights can provide new perspectives and strengthen your understanding. Finally, consistent review is key to long-term retention. Regularly revisit all topics to solidify your memory and ensure you don't forget earlier concepts. Try applying statistical methods to analyze simple datasets or even news articles. This shows you the practical value of what you're learning. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Applying these steps will help you excel in your statistics class.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.